biggest impact it's had on me is how I work with students. So working on a day-to-day basis with placement students who aren't getting on great in placement, it allows me to have conversations that I might have skirted around before, done light touch, or even avoided certain elements. Now I've got the confidence and a toolkit to go in and just deal with problems. Rip a plaster off is what I'm calling it. And it means we've just dealt with all the problems straight away. Students can go back to work or deal with their employers. It's just really helped engage and work with students.
It brings you there. It makes you a coach. It makes you think like a coach, which is something that is very important. But often, when you go to any of these, workshops or courses, it's often misled or not complete.
It's provided a fantastic framework. I don't have experience as a coach. I've been a mentor before, which is different. So it's really given me that great understanding of what coaching is, and that, you just go for it. You're gonna probably make mistakes along the way, but we're human, we do that, and we just correct ourselves and move on. So it's given us that kind of real permission to do that as part of the training.
I would strongly recommend that other colleagues give this a try. It gives you a lot of food for thought, a lot of structure for your own thoughts and how you can tease the best out of students, working with them to support them. It's not easy, it's intense, but I think you'll find at the end of the day or the 3 days, depending on which variant you do, that it's well worthwhile.